Hi there. This is eSpin Dolores. I would be delighted to help you with your upcoming presentation. If there's anything you need assistance with, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Providing exceptional service to you is our highest priority. Cloud security. Safeguarding the cloud environment. A cloud environment refers to a system that delivers computing services such as servers, storage, databases, applications, and more over the internet. Cloud adoption in organizations has become increasingly prevalent, offering a wide range of benefits, including cost savings, scalability, flexibility, and enhanced collaboration. Advances in technology continually evolve the functionalities of cloud computing, establishing it as a critical technology for enterprise growth. The main types of cloud environment are public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public clouds are owned and operated by third-party service providers, delivering computing resources. Examples include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Private clouds are dedicated environments used exclusively by a single organization. They can be hosted on-premises or by a third-party provider, offering greater control and customization of the infrastructure. And hybrid clouds integrate on-premises infrastructure, private cloud services, and public cloud services, forming a cohesive infrastructure that allows seamless management and sharing of data and applications across all environments. These three main types of cloud environments can be adopted based on the specific requirements of an enterprise, providing tailored solutions for different business needs. Cloud computing promises numerous advantages in business growth. Here's several reasons why. 1. Cost efficiency. Reduced capital expenditure. A cloud environment does not involve physical hardware and server setups. Instead, it lets you pay for what you use, often through a subscription or pay-as-you-go model. With no large upfront cost, it frees up capital for other investments. Operational cost savings. A cloud environment removes the need to handle maintenance, upgrades, and energy consumption of physical infrastructure. By opting for public or hybrid cloud solutions, these tasks are now handled by the cloud provider, leading to significant cost reductions. 2. Scalability and flexibility. Elastic resources. Unlike fixed hardware, the nature of cloud environment that allows resources to be easily scaled up or down according to business need helps addresses the issues for over-provisioning for extra capacity during peak times. Global reach. With cloud environment, applications and services can be deployed in multiple regions around the world with ease. This enables you to serve a global customer base without complex geographical limitations. 3. Enhanced collaboration. Anywhere access. A cloud environment promotes a distributed workforce. Since cloud services are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, it enables remote work and seamless collaboration across geographically dispersed teams. Real-time collaboration. A cloud environment allows multiple users to work on the same documents or projects simultaneously, fostering better collaboration and thereby enhancing productivity. 4. Disaster recovery and business continuity. Automatic backups. Many cloud services offer automated backups and data recovery options. This ensures that your data is safe and readily available in case of an outage or disaster. Therefore, even if data loss occurs during such events, it can always be recovered, reducing the impact of downtime. Redundancy. Cloud providers often have data centers in multiple locations. This built-in redundancy protects your data against loss, even in case of a localized disaster. 5. Security. Advanced security features. Cloud providers are heavily invested in securing their infrastructure. They include features such as encryption, identity and access management, IAM, and advanced threat detection to secure your data. Compliance. Many cloud providers adhere to industry standards and regulations. This helps businesses keeping in compliance with legal requirements more easily. 6. Innovation and agility. Rapid deployment. Cloud environments enables faster innovation cycles as it support deployment new applications and services without lengthy procurement and setup processes. Access to cutting-edge technologies. Cloud services often incorporate the latest technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, big data analytics, and the Internet of Things, IoT. This gives you access to powerful tools to drive business growth. 7. Environmental sustainability. Energy efficiency. As governments and users increasingly emphasize sustainable innovation, many cloud providers prioritize energy-efficient data centers in their offerings, thereby reducing the carbon footprint compared to traditional on-premises setups. Shared resources. By using a shared infrastructure, cloud computing optimizes resource utilization and minimizes waste. 8. Focus on core business. Outsource IT management. Cloud environment displaces the responsibility of infrastructure management to the cloud provider. As a result, your IT staff can focus more on core competencies and strategic initiatives for the business. Resource reallocation. Your IT staff can be redeployed to more strategic tasks, such as improving business processes or developing new applications that directly impact your core business goals. While a cloud environment can offer enhanced security compared to traditional on-premises setups, it is not immune to cyber threats. The cybersecurity landscape is highly dynamic, with attack vectors continuously evolving as cybercriminals relentlessly seek vulnerabilities to exploit. Misconfigurations, improper implementations, and inadequate management of cloud services are often the primary culprits behind security breaches. 1. Dynamic cyber threat landscape. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and the methods attackers use to penetrate systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated. This necessitates a proactive approach to security, where organizations must continuously update and adapt their security measures. The cloud environment, despite its advanced security features, requires vigilant management and regular updates to address new threats effectively. 2. Misconfiguration and improper management. A significant portion of cloud security incidents stems from misconfigurations and improper management of cloud resources. Misconfigurations can occur in various aspects of cloud services, such as storage settings, access controls, and network configurations. Improper management includes failing to apply security patches promptly, neglecting to enforce strong authentication measures, and overlooking regular security audits. 3. Data breaches. Cloud environment can be the main target for cyber attacks as it stores massive amount of data, including sensitive data. Unauthorized access to these sensitive data stored can lead to significant damaging consequences, from financial losses due to fines, remediation costs, and lawsuits to reputational damage and loss of customer trust. Therefore, ensuring data encryption, both in transit and at rest, is crucial. 4. Data loss. A cloud environment is inherently complex, and improper handling can lead to issues such as accidental deletion, data corruption, or failure of storage services, all of which can result in data loss. To mitigate this risk, it is essential to implement regular backups and comprehensive disaster recovery plans. Organizations adopting cloud environments must invest in these strategies to ensure data integrity and availability. This includes the implementation of regular backup plans and allocating resources to develop and maintain robust disaster recovery solutions. 5. Insecure APIs. Application Programming Interfaces, APIs, are integral to cloud services that function to enable communication between different applications and services. APIs, however, can act as a gateway for attackers if not secured properly. Implementing stringent security measures for APIs is necessary. 6. Account hijacking. Account hijacking in a cloud environment can occur through various means, such as phishing attacks, malware infections, or exploiting weak passwords. These methods can lead to compromised credentials and unauthorized access to cloud resources. Employing multi-factor authentication, MFA, and robust password policies can help prevent account hijacking. 7. Insider threats. Employees or contractors with legitimate access to cloud systems can pose security risks, whether intentionally or unintentionally. Additionally, malicious actors, including employees who misuse their access for personal gain or disgruntled employees seeking revenge, are considered insider threats to cloud security. Hence, it is crucial to implement the principle of least privilege and monitor user activities to mitigate insider threats. 8. Compliance and legal issues. The cloud environment introduces additional regulations and industry standards that need to be adhered to compared to physical resources. Non-compliance can result in legal penalties and loss of customer trust, which can significantly impact business operations. When adopting cloud services, consideration should include selecting providers that comply with relevant regulations and industry standards. 9. Denial of service, DoS, attacks. Cloud services can be targeted by DoS attacks, which can disrupt operations and cause service outages. Cloud environment is in need for deployment of network security measures and having a response plan in place to help mitigate the impact. Cloud environments, at its core, involve storing data of different types essential for business operations or running applications. Cloud security plays a critical role in safeguarding business and applications, including protecting sensitive data. Businesses store vast amounts of sensitive information in the cloud, such as financial data, intellectual property, and customer records. A breach in cloud security can have devastating consequences, including financial losses, legal liabilities, and damage to reputation. Robust cloud security measures are essential to safeguard this data from unauthorized access and breaches. Ensuring business continuity, security incidents in the cloud can disrupt services and impact business operations. Cloud security measures such as data backups and disaster recovery plans are crucial for maintaining business continuity. These measures minimize downtime and enable rapid recovery in the event of an attack or outage, ensuring uninterrupted service delivery. Maintaining compliance. Numerous industries are subject to stringent data privacy regulations. Cloud security helps organizations comply with these regulations by offering features like encryption, access controls, and audit trails. Adherence to regulatory requirements not only avoids penalties but also enhances trust with customers and partners. Enabling remote work. The cloud enables remote work by providing access to data and applications from anywhere. However, this distributed access model increases the risk of cyber threats. Effective cloud security measures are essential for securing remote access and protecting data on devices outside the corporate network, thereby supporting a flexible and secure remote work environment. Safeguarding against emerging threats. The cybersecurity landscape continually evolves with new and sophisticated threats. Cloud security providers invest in advanced technologies and practices to secure their infrastructure and defend against emerging threats. This proactive approach helps mitigate risks and enhances the overall security posture of cloud environments. Maintaining a competitive advantage. Data is a valuable asset that gives businesses a competitive edge. Cloud security ensures the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data, protecting it from unauthorized access and breaches. By safeguarding their data advantage, organizations can maintain trust with customers, protect their brand reputation, and differentiate themselves in the market. In order to ensure robust protection in cloud environments, businesses should adopt the following best practices. 1. Multi-layered access control. Strong authentication. Move beyond traditional username and password logins. Implement multi-factor authentication, MFA, that requires a second verification factor, such as a one-time code sent to a mobile device or a fingerprint scan. This significantly strengthens user identity verification and makes it much harder for attackers to gain unauthorized access, even if they steal a password. Least privilege access control. Grant users only the minimum level of access required to perform their job functions. This principle minimizes the potential damage an insider can cause if their account is compromised. Avoid giving users broad access permissions. They should only have access to the specific data and resources they need to do their jobs. 2. Encryption, the shield for data security. Encryption at rest and in transit. Encrypt all sensitive data, both at rest, stored in the cloud, and in transit, moving between your devices and the cloud. This renders data unreadable to anyone without the decryption key, even if attackers manage to intercept it. Use strong encryption algorithms like AES-256 for maximum protection. Regular key rotation, never on static encryption keys. Implement key rotation strategy by changing encryption keys regularly. This helps reduces the risk of compromised keys being used to decrypt sensitive data. 3. Continuous monitoring and auditing. Regular security audits. Schedule regular security audits of your cloud environment. These audits should assess your cloud infrastructure configurations, access controls, and security policies to identify and address any vulnerabilities. Continuous monitoring. Conduct continuous monitoring solutions that track user activity, network traffic, and system logs for suspicious behavior. This enables you to proactively detect potential threats and take action before they cause damage. 4. Patch management. Apply patching. Security vulnerabilities are constantly being discovered in software and operating systems. Apply security patches to your cloud systems and applications promptly. These patches address vulnerabilities that attackers can exploit to gain access to your systems. Automation advantage. Automate patch deployment whenever possible. This ensures that patches are applied quickly and consistently across your entire cloud environment, minimizing the window of vulnerability. 5. Data backup and disaster recovery. Preparing for the unexpected. Regular backups. Establish a regular data backup schedule. Back up your critical data to a secure offsite location. This ensures you have a copy of your data readily available in case of a disaster, ransomware attack, or accidental data deletion. Disaster recovery planning. Develop a comprehensive disaster recovery plan that outlines the steps to be taken in case of a major outage or security incident. This plan should include procedures for restoring data from backups, resuming operations, and minimizing downtime. Consider geo-redundancy for critical data and applications, meaning storing backups in geographically separate locations to ensure availability even in case of a regional disaster. 6. Educating employees, the human firewall. Security awareness training. Employees are a critical line of defense against cyber threats. Provide regular security awareness training to educate them on cybersecurity best practices. Train them to recognize phishing attacks, social engineering tactics, and other common threats. Culture of security. Foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness and responsibility within your organization. Encourage employees to report any suspicious activity or security incidents promptly. 7. Securing APIs and interfaces, gatekeepers of data. API security. APIs, application programming interfaces, are essential for communication between cloud applications. However, they can also be exploited by attackers. Secure your APIs with strong authentication, authorization mechanisms, and encryption to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Input validation and rate limiting. Implement input validation to prevent malicious code injection attempts through APIs. Enforce rate limits to prevent API abuse, such as automated attacks that overwhelm your systems with requests. 8. Incident response planning, ready for anything. Develop a plan. Create a comprehensive incident response plan specifically designed for cloud environments. This plan should define roles and responsibilities for different teams in case of a security incident. It should outline procedures for containing the incident, eradicating the threat, and recovering from the attack. Test and refine. Don't let your incident response plan gather dust on a shelf. Conduct regular drills to test its effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. This ensures your team is prepared to respond quickly and efficiently in case of a real attack. In conclusion, adopting a cloud environment is a modern IT strategy that offers numerous advantages for business growth. However, this shift necessitates robust security measures. By prioritizing these measures, organizations can fully leverage cloud computing's potential while protecting sensitive data, ensuring business continuity, maintaining regulatory compliance, enabling secure remote work, and defending against emerging threats. This proactive approach allows businesses to harness cloud technology confidently, driving growth and innovation. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our presentation. We sincerely hope that you found it valuable and informative in some way. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Once again, thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.